The mechanical upgrades are not merely add-ons. They are part of the Bronco's DNA. Power steering reduces strain at low speeds. Power four-wheel disc brakes offer confident stopping power. Upgraded aftermarket AC and heating ensure real comfort in every season. This vehicle isn't a museum piece. It's ready to drive. It's ready to live. Inside, the cabin tells a story of transformation. The original layout has been honored, but elevated. Black upholstery with gray accents lines the interior, blending rugged durability with visual elegance. The rear bench offers space for passengers, family, friends, adventure partners, while the front bucket seats deliver focus and control. A center console with cue folders adds modern convenience. The dashboard remains true to Bronco heritage, but with digital gauges replacing analog needles. The three-spoke with steering wheel adds warmth, tactile depth, and a sense of classic luxury. The upgraded radio preserves vintage aesthetic while offering improved sound quality. Ranger XLT trim extends inside, creating continuity between exterior and cabin. The floor-selectable transfer case offers true off-road function, paired with a Hurst shifter handle, a reminder that this isn't just a show build. It's a machine meant to be driven. But perhaps the most astonishing detail of all, this Bronco has just 8 miles since restoration. 8 miles. In a world where most classics have decades of wear, scars, and compromise, this truck is a rare outlier. As close to factory new as a Bronco from 1979 can physically be. To own this vehicle is not only to own a piece of history, but to own a fully reborn version of that history. It is to experience what the Bronco must have felt like the day it first rolled out of the factory, strong, fresh, full of promise. The difference now is that this Bronco is not bound by the limitations of the 1970s. It is supported by modern engineering, restored materials, improved mechanical precision, and the collective knowledge of decades of automotive evolution. For collectors, enthusiasts, and dreamers alike, the 1979 Ford Bronco 4X4 stands as an icon, a reminder of where we've been, a symbol of where we can go. A bridge between rugged tradition and modern excellence. And above all, it stands as proof that craftsmanship, passion, and engineering can turn a vehicle into something far greater than the sum of its parts, something alive, something unforgettable, something eternal.